Hey girl, hey, it's me, Dymond Lachey, and I'm here with a new video. Today's video is a hair video, and it's a get ready with me. This is all about how I laid my lace wig with no glue, and I did this little half up, half down look. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so let's get into this hair. This wig is from LaBelle Hair Collection. Can you see it? It is naturally curly. I'm gonna insert a clip of the hair, of the curly hair, but I blew it out and then pressed it out, and yeah, this was like 2 days ago, so now it's just like wild. When you press out like curly hair, it feels like, have you ever had, I don't know if you ever had wild African hair? Their hair, it's like a black girl getting her hair pressed out. You know, so I didn't do like a hard flat iron. It was more just to get the hair straighter. This is a custom wig. Also, they do make custom wigs with frontals, closures, leave out, whatever you want. I've had a couple custom wigs made by them, but I did this style yesterday and y'all liked it. Y'all liked it on the gram, so I said, you know what, let me come back and retry it. So this, I want to say it's 22 inches, I want to say, but yeah, it has a band. This is a frontal wig. I think it's a 13x4. And then it has the band. I need to sew my band back down because girls get a little loose. And then it has the combs. And, you know, the clip in the back. I'm going to clip that. Okay. This is an old pink do-rag, girl. I throw this on whenever I had braids on. Don't judge me. Judge yourself. So I have in some, oh, Jesus, these are very old. These braids were supposed to be like some throw-on braids, but this just goes to show up under my wigs, girl. It be looking crazy. Sometimes I have great braids, sometimes I don't. I probably still have some. I still have hairspray in my hair right now from yesterday. I love the hairspray method when it comes to wigs because it's just so easy, especially somebody like me who takes her wig off almost every night. It's just so convenient doing hairspray because you don't have to worry about pulling out your hair, pulling out your edges, because girl, it's literally just hairspray. So I've already, you know, put my Jamaican black oil in it. We're trying to get our hair to grow, honey. That's the whole purpose of wearing wigs. So I'm actually going to start with, you can use any edge control. I use the LaBelle edge control. I use Got To Be edge control. Or I use any edge control. But today, this is the Hair by Day, Fly by Night. I got this at Broner Brothers. It's black owned too, so check them out. They have all different kinds of edge control. I have my waist trainer on if my boobs look really big. They're not. They're not. So I got my little mirror right here. This one is just a little too far. I be needing to get close up and personal. So I start by taking a little bit of edge control because I don't wear wig caps. When it's just me, I don't wear wig caps. And I just place it on my edges, literally. I don't want them to be in the way. If I had a cap, I would put it on, but I didn't feel like going to the store and getting a cap. So here we are. And my edges probably look really white because I slicked them back yesterday for this same style. It looks crazy. But look, it's gonna all work out in the end. Just bear with me. Then girl, take your wig. Oh girl, my whole band. I knew it was gonna come loose. I knew it. I stick the comb up under my braid. Yep. And then just take this hair, clip it to the back. Ooh, okay. Girl, look at this. Is the LaBelle has the best lace, honey. They lace is on another level. I'll just pull that back to there. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Got To Be. This is the new hairspray, but you can honestly use any hairspray. I like the bedhead hairspray. The yellow bottle of Got To Be is fine. Any holding freeze, any spray is fine. So I roll my frontal back. So make sure your blow dryer is on the cool setting. So I'm gonna explain this before I do it, because when I do it, I have to do it quickly. So I'm gonna spray, and I'm gonna put the cooling blow dryer on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray, and I'm gonna put the cooling blow dryer on it, just because I have to do it quickly, because it will drip. And yeah, so I'm gonna speed this part up, so just keep watching. Blow dry it until it gets tacky. That's to the hot. Make sure you press the hair back as well, and I just make sure I lay it where I want it to lay. So if I want it to lay up there, that's where I put it. Then I take a little edge scarf and wrap it. I do mine piece by piece. Some people do theirs like all in one, but I do mine piece by piece. Is my wig on my head, kind of, sort of, somewhat. So this, at this point, this is when you can go in with the hairspray and whatever little piece you have. Like I have a piece over here that's not laying down. I go in and I fix it. So I'm gonna show you how I fix it. Pull the hairs out. You only want to spray this spray on the actual lace. And then you want to press that lace into the hairspray. you're gonna clean up your lace later. I'm not gonna wrap it. I know sometimes people do ponytails, they put it up high, like they're half up, half down, so they put it up high. But I want mine to look more on the like natural side. And I think when you wrap hair around, it doesn't look natural. So I like keeping my sides down for some reason. Up into a ponytail. Left hair out on the sides. Just because it looked a little bit more natural when I do it that way. And I'm not gonna put it up in a pony yet. I'm actually about to just take it and clip it so that I know what is going up. So this is gonna stay down. My nails lifted. You know, you can feel when your nail lifted because like hair begins stuck under it. Hate that. But I am overdue for a feel. So all this hair is gonna stay down. So if I was to like blow this out and really press it, it could be really cute being down. Like I think this would be really cute being straightened, but it would just take some time. Take pieces about this big, not too small but not huge either, and I just wrap the barrel around it so it gives it that wand look, but not the wand look. Like it's wavy wand. I didn't want tight curls just because I wanted it to look like little ringlets. And I think the smaller you get, the more like curly it gets, and I didn't want it to look curly. Once my curls are done and my pony is laid, this is when I go in and I fix whatever lace didn't lay for whatever reason. I had a pair of shears, but I don't know where they went. So girl, I'm gonna use these old good old trusty dusty scissors and just cut the excess lace, honey. Q-tip, girl, a Q-tip. You're gonna be like, what? Now if you have alcohol, I don't feel like getting up and getting my alcohol, but if you have alcohol, you want to take it and just, you know, rub off whatever hairspray is still there. This is my hardest part. I struggle with trying to figure out which piece to pull out. This is it. This is literally it. I'm about to curl these fangs real quick. Or should I keep them straight? I kept them straight yesterday. I think I'm gonna curl them today. Alright, you guys, that does it for this look. I hope you enjoyed it and learned how to lay your lace wigs, girl, with no glue. Just hairspray. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you like videos like this, because I will keep making them for you. But while you're here, watch another video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.